Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to cut any portion of video or audio files using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So without any further delay, let's begin. So if you have not downloaded Microsoft Office software, then you download and install it. I'm not going to show you how to download and install it. So you download it from the official website and download and install it. So after installing, you open the Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to select the blank presentation. And now what you need to do is, you can see in the above left top corner, you can see your insert. Now after clicking on insert, you can see here a video. So tap on the down arrow and video on my PC. You can online video also, you can load the online video, and you can load a video from the PC too. So we'll be loading one video. Click insert. Now you can see this is a video. Now to trim this or to cut this video, just right mouse click. Now you can see trim, just click on it. Now you can select up to which much you want to trim. Say I want to trim this much, and once you are done, click OK. Now it's being trimmed. Now to save this file as a video file, what you need to do is right click your mouse, and you can see here save media as. Just click on it, give any name like test, and click on save. It will be saved as a mp4 file. So in this way you can cut the video file using your Microsoft PowerPoint. And similarly, in the similar manner, just go back the insert and click on audio for audio files, and audio on my PC, just click on it. I'll select one audio file, click insert. Now similarly like the video, just right click, click on the trim. Now select up to which much you want to trim. You can select different way also, you can select this way also. So if you're satisfied with your selection, just click OK. It's being trimmed. Now to save audio file, just right click your mouse, save media as you can. And click on save. So in this way you can cut any audio or video using your Microsoft PowerPoint and save it as audio and video files very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.